Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to welcome you. We would love it if you would become a part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today's video, we are making home decor for springtime. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. First project, you will need one glass vase of your choice, two types of crushed glass, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and a rubber band. All materials will be linked in the description bar below this video. Make sure you saturate your vase with plenty of Mod Podge, because when you get ready to put your crushed glass onto the vase, you want it to adhere. And also later on in the video, you will see how we do apply the bigger crushed glass, and we do apply that with the glue gun. You do want to apply 2 coats of the crushed glass. The second coat we do apply off camera just for time's sake, but we will come back and show you how to put the bigger crushed glass on with the glue gun. Before you apply the second coat of crushed glass, you do want to give it about 15 minutes to dry, just to give it enough time to adhere to the vase. Then you want to apply more Mod Podge, and then you're going to apply more crushed glass. Now that we have applied the second coat of crushed glass and we've let it set for 15 minutes so that it can adhere to the surface, so we're now putting the bigger crushed glass on with a glue gun. The glue gun makes sure that the crushed glass stays in place and that it does not slide. You want to complete this process until it's fully covered in the larger size crushed glass. As stated before, you want to complete this process until it's fully covered in the larger size crushed glass. This part is optional. You can keep your vase plain if you choose to. We just wanted to show you how the vase would look with some type of rose or flower inside. For the second project, you will need one glass fishbowl, two types of glitter, one being jumbo, Mod Podge, a bunch of roses, and glass stones. Make sure you mix your glass stones and your glitter very well before applying it onto your fishbowl. This project is pretty much explanatory, so make sure that you just saturate your fishbowl, and also you do 2 coats on your fishbowl, and make sure you leave about 15 minutes in between for dry time before applying another coat to the fishbowl. For time's sake, we did finish the second coat off camera. The third project, you will need a tiny glass vase of your choice, a paintbrush, Mod Podge, 2 types of glitter, one being jumbo, glass stones, and glass beads. Now the glass beads are optional. You don't have to have them if you don't choose to. That's perfectly fine, but we did put the glass beads at the end. So just in case you want to put some, that's another option that's available to you. So this does complete our tutorial for today. If you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you in our next video. Bye.